Hi guys, happy 2020. I just hope that you guys had the most well-rested, cheerful, fantastic winter holidays, and I want to warmly welcome you into the first week of 2020 and also the first week of the 2020 resolution series. Now in this video, I'm going to be telling you about what exactly the 2020 resolution series is, how it can benefit you, the outline of what we're going to cover in the 2020 resolution series, and then of course the first step, making those New Year's resolutions properly. Now the 2020 series is something that I am so proud to present to you guys because it will really help you channel that positive energy that we get from making resolutions in the new year into achievable change for the long term. Now, as a dietitian, I know that a lot of us, a lot of you have many nutrition or fitness related resolutions in the new year. And a lot of the times I just see people brush that off within the first few months, which is really a shame because we deserve to be happy. We deserve to improve ourselves. We deserve to get the chance to do that. And honestly, I'll just let you guys know now that it's never too late to improve yourselves and it's never too late to improve your lifestyle. And that's why you can use this video and of course the following videos in this series to improve your lifestyle at any point in time, at any point in the year. But just to go along with the New Year's vibe here, I will be uploading weekly videos throughout January and February, and these videos are going to be aimed at telling you about the common mistakes that we can make when setting up resolutions and carrying them out, the proper steps into making those resolutions and then carrying them out, and of course tips on how to achieve those resolutions for the long run. Now that you know what this series can do for you, let's head on over to the first step, which is actually making a resolution. Now, the common mistake that we all can make is giving ourselves too many resolutions. Now, type yes in the comments below if this sounds familiar to you. This year, I'm going to eat healthier, lose weight, exercise more, drink more water, meditate more, stress less, stop procrastinating, budget my money wisely, spend less on clothes, spend less on coffee. This is too much. We're gonna be so stressed and our focus is gonna be stretched paper thin when we're trying to do 100 of these steps in order to accomplish every single one of those goals. And that's gonna lead us to achieving absolutely none of those goals. So instead of overloading yourself, what's best is if you just pick one broad resolution at a time to work on. And by doing this, you'll decrease the chances of overloading and overwhelming yourself and give you a better chance to succeed at this resolution. Success at one resolution is going to give you the confidence and the motivation to move on and achieve other resolutions in the future. Now try to aim for hard resolutions, and that's H-A-R-D. The H stands for heartfelt. Have an emotional connection to the resolution, and that will really give you a huge drive to accomplish this resolution. A stands for animated. Your resolution should be motivated by a vision of what you want your life to be like. R is required. Your resolution should be something that you can work on that is necessary to your life right now. And D is for difficult. Have a resolution that takes you out of your comfort zone. Yes, so I actually do have an assignment for you guys so that you can start taking action immediately in changing your lifestyle and changing your life for the better. Step number 1 is to choose a resolution that is broad, but not overwhelmingly broad. This is because while you still want an overarching vision for your resolution, too broad means that you're going to lose focus. For example, instead of the resolution, I am going to become healthier, which can have honestly tons of different directions you can go, as well as different interpretations. Try something like, I'm going to eat healthier, or I'm going to move more, or I'm going to stress less. Even though this area is still broad, it really gives you more of a focus of a direction that you want to go. Number 2, think about the specific reasons why this resolution is what you want to aim for. So what specific benefits is it going to give you when you make this change? Or on the other hand, what things will stay the same if you don't change anything at all? Basically, what would happen in the future if you made this change, or what would happen in the future if you didn't make this change? Write down your resolution so that you can always refer back to it when needed for more inspiration. For example, why would anyone want to stop smoking? Well, it can help you decrease the risk of high blood pressure, decrease the risk of lung cancer, it saves you money, it decreases secondhand smoke for other people around you. It can make you a better role model for your children, help you receive less nagging maybe from your family or your spouse, or you might have had a close friend or someone you knew very well that passed away from complications of smoking, and you want to prevent that from happening to you. Finding out the why beneath this resolution is really going to help you take that step from just contemplating whether or not you want to change into taking these steps into actual change. So your assignment for this week is those 2 steps. Number 1, come up with a resolution, and number 2, figure out why exactly this resolution is important for you. And next week's video is about taking that broader resolution and focusing it down so that it can become more actionable. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn those notifications on so that you can be aware of when the next video will be coming out. Before you even start thinking, I just want you to take a second, take a minute to be proud of yourself for doing this. Be proud of yourself for willing to change your life for the better, to change your lifestyle for the better, and smile because you're going in a fantastic direction. And once you guys decide on your resolutions, let me know in the comments below. And if you need some ideas on your resolutions, then take a look at some of my other videos and maybe you'll find some inspiration there. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me on this series, and I will see you guys soon.